Hi there guys, I bring to you, it is iPhone release day and I'm just kind of like videoing my morning, what's happening. I might look like I'm in the woods doing something dodgy, but really I'm walking my dog. I don't know if you can see him, I don't know where he is. Yeah, it's currently 12 minutes past 9, I don't even know if you can see that. My phone is coming at 20 past 9 to 20 past 10. So I'm praying that it doesn't come when I'm walking the dog. I'm gonna just also, I don't need that right now. I'm gonna just also explain to you why I got 3 iPhone XS Maxes. So yeah, I got 3. That wasn't intentional. My brother texted me in the day before the pre-order and he was like, can you get me one in space grey, 256 gig? I was like, yeah sure, because I'm getting the gold, same configuration, so I thought I'll just add it and then hopefully try get them, because I didn't know if they were going to sell out or not. And then the Apple website wasn't loading, so I was like shit. So I went on Carphone Warehouse and I got both of those phones for the launch day. But Carphone Warehouse do this thing where they don't confirm it, and I was getting a bit stressed out, so I thought I'm going to buy one from Apple itself. So I got mine from Apple. This was only after my brother texted me his confirmation of his order. So I ordered mine and my brother's, he got his, I got mine from somewhere else. So now I've got 2 surplus iPhones coming. Probably either sell them on eBay. I'm going to unbox them obviously, because one's a different colour to the gold one. So I'm going to unbox them, either return them or try sell them on eBay, or do you know what, I don't know yet, but as long as we're getting the new phones, that's all good. So as I said earlier, I am walking my dog. I'm not just doing something dodgy in the woods. This is Rupert. So yeah, I can't wait for these new iPhones, because my last iPhone was an iPhone 7 Plus and I didn't end up getting the 10 because I just thought the screen wasn't big enough. I like that extra size, and I didn't want to get the 8 Plus because that's like so similar to what my iPhone 7 Plus is. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to wait a year, because I'm one of them people that gets a new one every single year. Last year I was just like, you know what, I'm going to wait, because I know there's going to be like a plus size 10 at some point, and now there is. I'm really excited to get it. I hope this vlogging style intro was alright, because usually I just get right to the unboxing. I never show my face or anything, but I thought, you know what, this year I'm going to do things a bit differently. So I'm in the video this year. Hello, I'm Sam. But now let's get on to the unboxing. As soon as I got through the door from walking the dog, my iPhone XS Max is here, and it's currently 9:49 AM in the UK, so I got it quite early, which I'm happy about. I'm just gonna cut down here. I know it's a weird tool to use. It's a massager, I think. Something like that. But it works, so there. And there we have it. That's the box of the iPhone XS Max in gold. So let's just get rid of this because we don't need it. I'm going to take a little look around the box and see what information it provides. So on the front we're presented with this really nice picture of the 6.5-inch display and front of the XS Max. On the side it just says iPhone in this kind of gold shimmer. Apple symbol, iPhone, and again Apple symbol. I'm going to read to you what it says on the back. So it says 256GB, as that's what this model is obviously. Includes a XS Max, earpods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. This no longer includes the dongle, which is lightning to 3.5 in case you want to use any of your old normal standard earphones. You've got to buy that yourself now, or you might still have one from your previous iPhone. So let's do my favourite bit now, actually getting into the phone. There's a little pull tab here, and it just unravels like that. So let's take the box off for the first time. Let's unbox it for the first time, more like. That was long. So yeah, on top we are presented with designed by Apple in California as standard. All of this stuff's going to be what's usually in an iPhone box. There's nothing different to this. So your hello guide with some printed out instructions on how to use the phone. If you're jumping from 7 or 8 previous, you might want to look at this just to see the gestures and how you use it. We're presented with a SIM eject tool and also standard Apple stickers. So that's what's in that compartment. And now the actual phone itself, which I'm really happy about. Oh my gosh, that gold looks so nice. on the shimmer. Black and gold is such a good combination. So this is the phone. I've not turned it round. I'm scared to see the back. I hope I like it. Ooh. Now that is very, very nice. I just love this kind of gold bezel here. I think it looks so classy and like more expensive really. Like the black and gold combination. That contrast. Back onto the unboxing. Now we've had a look at the phone, we'll just have a look at what else is in the box and the further content. So I'm going to put this to one side for a minute. Lovely phone, put it there. And we've got our, because we're in the UK, 3-pin wall adapter, which is 5 watts. So this doesn't include any fast charging in the box, which is a bit of a shame. But you can use an iPad charger to speed it up, or you can get the actual USB-C to Lightning cable and adapter from Apple itself, which is quite expensive, but it does support fast charging, this phone. You get your earpods, but this time there is no dongle on the back, as I previously mentioned. So you just get your standard wired Lightning headphones there. Bit of a letdown, but they're alright, they do the job. And finally, of course, you can never have too many of these, the Lightning to USB charging cable. There we go. So that's all that's in the box. Just going to take another look at the phone. Sadly today I am not going to be taking the plastic off, just because I do not have a case for it yet and I don't want it to get scratched or damaged or anything. I'm going to try to keep it in as best condition as possible. I'm going to try switch it on though. There we go. Hello. Gosh, you can tell the quality of screen is so much better. English, United Kingdom. The screen is massive as well. Comparing it to a 7 Plus. Definitely bigger. Obviously that's 5.5 inch and that is 6.5 inch, so there's a whole inch difference. But the notch does take something out. Yeah, so I'm just going to set this up now and come back to you. Oh, I'm quite excited for the Face ID. So let's continue. So there's me, and I'm going to have to just move it around like so. Complete. Now it's going to ask me to do it again. Complete. Apps and data. I'm going to set this up as a new iPhone for now. I'm just going to sign into my Apple ID. So location services, I'm going to enable. It's taken quite a while to load because obviously it's the initial setup. Apple Pay, continue. Don't want to share analytics because they annoy me because it'll probably waste battery or something. I'm going to continue with the True Tone display. Standard screen, obviously. Next for me, but if you want bigger ones, obviously go zoomed like that, so it's a bit bigger. But I'm going to go standard. Go home. You need to swipe up from the bottom of the display like so. Continue. Switch between recent apps, you need to swipe along the bottom like that, which is really handy. Quick access controls from the top right and the top left and the centre. Welcome to iPhone, swipe up to get started. Here we go. So the first thing I just want to look at is the camera, because I love cameras on iPhones and I just want to see if it is as good as they say it is. I'm going to turn live off. It's definitely a good camera. Really nice. Very good camera. What else can we look at? I want to test out the sound. No, I can't get copyrighted for this because it is my own song. Let's turn it all the way up. You probably won't be able to tell from the video, but it is definitely louder than my current iPhone 7 Plus. The speaker's knackered on that anyway, but it's nice to have that that's new. One thing I've noticed that, because it's the plus size phone, obviously it's called a Max, but you can't landscape the screen, whereas on the plus variants of the phones you can. So, as you can see, but this phone doesn't do that. So that's my initial impressions of the iPhone XS Max. It's got an amazing screen. I love the new gold colour. I'm also getting this in the black colour, which I will also unbox. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for further content on the iPhone XS and XS Max. Cheers for watching.